Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos that are helpful and easy to understand.
The question of whether 1099 forms are required for rental property owners is a common point of confusion. Many landlords wonder about their reporting obligations. Generally, rental property owners are considered businesses by the IRS for certain purposes. This means they often have responsibilities similar to other small businesses. You typically need to issue 1099 forms if you pay an unincorporated service provider $600 or more in a calendar year. This threshold is crucial to remember. For example, if you hire a handyman, plumber, electrician, or landscaper for your rental property, and they are not incorporated, you likely need to issue them a 1099. The specific form to use depends on the type of payment. For services performed by non-employees, the IRS requires Form 1099 NEC, Non-Employee Compensation. This form replaced the reporting of non-employee compensation on Form 1099 MISC starting in tax year 2020. So, if you paid your contractor for repairs, maintenance, or other services, use 1099 NEC. If you pay independent contractors for services like property management, cleaning, or general repairs, and the total payment to that individual or unincorporated business exceeds $600 in a year, a 1099 NEC is required. This applies even if you only own one rental property. The IRS views your rental activity as an income-producing business. However, there are important exceptions. You generally do not need to issue a 1099 form to corporations. Most payments made to corporations for services are exempt from 1099 reporting. Always verify if your service provider is incorporated. You can usually ask for their W-9 form, which provides their tax identification number and business structure. This W-9 form is essential for gathering all the necessary information before the tax year ends. Another common scenario involves property managers. If you pay a property management company, and they are incorporated, you typically do not issue them a 1099. However, if the property management company is not incorporated, and you pay them $600 or more, you would need to issue them a 1099 NEC. What about rent payments? As a rental property owner, you typically receive rent payments, and you are not required to issue 1099 forms to your tenants for the rent they pay you. The 1099 requirement is for payments you make for services to your business. This is a key distinction. The IRS wants to ensure that contractors and service providers report their income. If you use a payment processor for rent collection, they might issue you a 1099K if you meet certain thresholds, but that's a different scenario entirely. Focus on the payments you make. Failing to issue required 1099 forms can result in penalties from the IRS, so it's important to understand and comply with these rules. Keep good records of all payments made to service providers. This includes invoices, receipts, and cancelled checks. Being organized will make tax season much smoother. Understanding these requirements helps ensure you stay compliant with tax laws. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more helpful financial tips.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.